Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable auto call recording on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the phone application. Step 2. Now locate the menu icon, 3 vertical dots, on the right side of the screen and tap on it. Step 3. Next, locate the settings option and tap on it. Step 4. Now, locate the Record Calls option and tap on it. Step 5. Next, locate the Auto Record Calls option and tap on it. Unfortunately, this option is turned off by default. Step 6. For the last and most important step, tap the Auto Record Calls option to turn it on. You can choose to record all calls, calls with unsaved numbers, or calls with specific numbers. For this tutorial, I'll select All Calls. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.